Hello friends, welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who support my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, A Ray of Success. Today we are going to see a topic called properties of unit impulse signal. In last class, we discussed three properties of unit impulse signal that are integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del of t dt should be equal to x of 0. Also integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del of t minus t0 dt should be equal to x of t0. Next one, del of at should be equal to 1 by mod a del of t. Today we going to discussing the next property, that is first one is del of t should be equal to del of minus t. What is it indicating? Actually, if you consider signal x of t, this x of t should be equal to x of minus t, then this signal is known as an even signal. Okay. Also, if you consider impulse signal, the value existing only at t is equal to 0. So if you draw a del of t signal or del of minus t signal, you will get the same signal. So we can call del of t should be equal to del of minus t. Okay, so we can call unit impulse signal is an even function, because the signal value existing only at t is equal to 0. So this property is satisfied in unit impulse signal. What is the property? Del of t should be equal to del of minus t. So we can call unit impulse signal is an even function. Let's move to the next property, that is integral of minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b into dt should be equal to 1 by mod a. To prove this condition, we can take this function integral of minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b into dt. It should be equal to, we can take a outside the bracket, so we can write integral of minus infinity to infinity del of a into t minus b by a into dt. Also here we can apply this property. What is the property? Del of at should be equal to 1 by mod a del of t. So this function can be written as integral of minus infinity to infinity, here 1 by mod a, here also we can write 1 by mod a, then del of t, here we can write the balance function del of t minus b by a into dt. Also we can take 1 by mod a outside the integral of minus infinity to infinity del of t minus b by a dt. If you consider this impulse signal, area under this pulse can be written as 1. Okay, so here we can write it should be equal to 1 by mod a into 1. So you will get 1 by mod a. So we can write integral of minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b into dt should be equal to 1 by mod a. This is the fifth property of a unit impulse signal. Did you understand? Next, sixth property, integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t into del dot of t dt should be equal to minus x dot of 0. To prove this property, we can take this function. So integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del dot of t dt. This should be equal to, here we can take this is the first function and this is the second function. Next we can take the integral of this function. So we can take first function into integral of second function. What is the integral function? This dot indicate the differentiation. So what is the integral of this del dot of t? It becomes equal to del of t. Then we can apply the limit minus infinity to infinity, then minus integral of minus infinity to infinity, derivative of the first function. What is the first function? X of t. The derivative can be written as x dot of t into integral of the second function. What is the integral value of del dot of t? It can be written as del of t into dt. Here we can apply the limit infinity. What is the value of del of infinity? It becomes 0 because signal existing only at t is equal to 0. So del of infinity becomes 0. So the first term becomes 0. Then minus. Then minus integral of minus infinity to infinity x dot of t into del of t dt. Here we can apply the property that is integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del of t should be dt should be equal to x of 0. This property. So here you will get minus x dot of 0. Here x of t, instead of x of t, here x dot of t. So we can written as minus x dot of 0 because area under the impulse pulse become unity. So here you will get minus x dot of 0. This is the sixth property of a unit impulse signal. These are the 6 properties of unit impulse signal. First one is del of t should be equal to del of minus t. Second one is integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del of t dt should be equal to x of 0. Third one is integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del of t minus t0 dt should be equal to x of t0. Fourth one is del of at should be equal to 1 by mod a into del of t. Fifth one is integral of minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b into dt should be equal to 1 by mod a. Sixth one is integral of minus infinity to infinity x of t del dot of t dt should be equal to minus x dot of 0. Let's move to the relationship between u of t and del of t. What are the relationship between unit step signal and unit impulse signal? The first relation is, first one we can written as integral of minus infinity to infinity del of tau d tau. What is the area under the unit impulse signal? It becomes equal to 1. So instead of 1 we can written as unit step signal. So this is the first relation. What is the relation? Integral of minus infinity to infinity del of tau d tau should be equal to u of t. Next, second relation we can write integral of minus infinity to infinity del of t dt should be equal to u of t. Then take differentiation on both sides. What will you get? If you take differentiation both sides, you will get del of t should be equal to d by dt of u of t. So this is the second relation. If you take the differentiation of unit step signal, you will get the unit impulse signal. What is the first relation? If you take the integration of a unit impulse signal, you will get the unit step signal. If you take the differentiation of a unit step signal, you will get the unit impulse signal. Next, third relation become, if you take a time shift property, you will get, that means u of t should be equal to integral of 0 to infinity del of t minus t into dt. This is the third property. So these are the relationship between unit step signal and unit impulse signal. Next we can do some problems. First question, integral of minus 1 to 1 3t square plus 1 into del of t dt. How will you solve this question? Here we have an impulse signal. This impulse signal existing at t is equal to 0. So here we can substitute at t is equal to 0. So we can written as this 3t square plus 1 existing at t is equal to 0. So we can substitute t is equal to 0 here. So you will get 3 into 0 plus 1. What is the value? You will get 1 as the answer. Next question, integral of minus infinity to infinity t square plus cos pi t into del of t minus 1 into dt. How will you solve this question? If you consider this impulse signal, the impulse signal existing at t is equal to 1. So we can substitute t is equal to 1 to this function. So you will get t square plus cos pi t existing at t is equal to 1. So you will get 1 square plus cos pi. So 1, what is the value of cos pi? Cos pi become minus 1. So you will get 1 minus 1. It should be equal to 0. Next problem, integral of 0 to 3 e raised to t minus 2 del of 2t minus 4 into dt. If you consider this function, here we have an impulse signal del of 2t minus 4 dt. To solve this function, we know the property integral of minus infinity to infinity del of at minus b dt should be equal to 1 by mod a. Instead of a, here a is equal to 2. So the integral value of this function become 1 by mod 2. Okay. Then we need to find the integral value of this term. To find the integral of this term, here we can take 2t minus 4 should be equal to 0. So 2t should be equal to 4. Then you will get t is equal to 2. It indicating the impulse signal existing at t is equal to 2. So we can put this t is equal to 2 in this exponential signal. Then you will get e raised to 2 minus 2. What is e raised to 2 minus 2? E raised to 0. What is the value of e raised to 0? It become 1. So you will get the answer 1 by mod 2. It indicating the impulse signal existing at t is equal to 2. So you will get 1 by mod 2. It become 1 by 2. So this is your answer. Thank you.